Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: artificial intelligence tools. From automating tasks to revolutionizing industries, AI is making its mark. In this video, we'll explore some of the most powerful AI tools you should know about. So, let's get started. But before we jump into the tools themselves, let's briefly talk about what AI tools are. Artificial intelligence tools are software or applications that leverage AI techniques to perform various tasks. These tools are used in a wide range of applications, from business to healthcare to entertainment. Number 7. Video editing. In the digital age, video content is king, but creating engaging, high-quality videos can be time-consuming and challenging. Opus Clip uses advanced AI technology to analyze your long videos and identify the most compelling parts. It then extracts these highlights and rearranges them into cohesive, viral short videos in just one click. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, you can create 10x faster, freeing up your time to focus on what you do best. Opus Clip is your secret weapon to skyrocket your social media reach. Number 6. AI emails. Google has integrated artificial intelligence into Gmail to help users manage their emails more effectively. Let's explore some of the impressive AI features that Google Workspace offers. Smart Compose is a feature that uses AI to suggest contextually relevant text as you compose your email. It can help you save time and reduce typing errors. It predicts what you're likely to type and offers suggestions, making the email composition process more efficient. Smart Reply. This feature suggests quick, contextually appropriate responses to your emails. It's especially handy on mobile devices, where you can simply tap a suggested response to send it. Smart Reply uses AI to understand the content of the email and provides relevant, time-saving responses. Number 5. Generative AI Art. Adobe Firefly's AI is a cutting-edge platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to generate art. It's a part of Adobe's ongoing efforts to blend creativity and technology seamlessly. Artists can use it to create unique, AI-assisted artwork. Adobe Firefly's AI is a game-changer in the world of generative art. It combines the incredible power of artificial intelligence with human creativity, resulting in artworks that push the boundaries of imagination. Whether you're a professional artist or an art enthusiast, Adobe Firefly's AI offers a fresh perspective on the art-making process. Number 4. Business Name Generator. Naming your business can be a challenging task, but with the help of AI, the process has become a whole lot easier. A Business Name Generator AI is a digital tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate business names. It's designed to help entrepreneurs and startups find the perfect name for their business, product, or project. AI can combine words, phrases, or even invent entirely new words to come up with business names that resonate with your target audience. Number 3. AI ChatPDF. This remarkable tool is changing the way we interact with and extract information from PDF documents. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone who works with PDFs, this technology is a game changer. One of the key features of this AI application is its ability to provide conversational access to PDF content. Instead of scrolling through long documents or manually searching for information, you can simply ask questions and receive specific answers, making it a more efficient and user-friendly experience. Number 2. AI Translation. DeepL is an advanced artificial intelligence translation service that uses deep learning neural networks to provide highly accurate and natural-sounding translations between multiple languages. It's designed to offer superior quality and fluency in translation. It has surpassed many other machine translation services and has been recognized for its ability to produce translations that closely resemble human-generated text. This accuracy is a game changer for businesses, individuals, and even professionals in the translation industry. Number 1. Image Restoration. Replicate.ai Image Restoration is an application of artificial intelligence that specializes in restoring and enhancing images. It uses advanced deep learning techniques to analyze and improve image quality, making old or damaged photos look as good as new. One of the key features of Replicate.ai image restoration is its remarkable ability to restore images with a high level of accuracy. It can repair old and damaged photos, removing scratches, stains, and other imperfections. Whether it's a vintage family photo or an important historical image, Replicate.ai can bring it back to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. All the links mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on AI tools, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.